Hello my amazing people, welcome back to Lola's recipe. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to make puff puff under 60 minutes. How to make puff puff within 30 minutes, okay? So if you don't know this secret, please keep watching this video. Make sure you pay attention and watch from beginning to the end of this video. And if you are new here, you are most welcome. My name is La. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to support this channel. Thank you. Please guys, let's get started. So right here, I will be measuring 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I will sift the flour in a clean mixing bowl. Next, I will add half cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 sachet of dry yeast. That's about 7 grams of dry yeast. Then I will mix all the dried ingredients together. Next, I will create a well in the middle of the flour. Then I will start by adding lukewarm water. For this recipe, I will be using 1.5 cup of warm water, and I will be using my spatula to mix this very well. You can always use your hand to mix this very well. Anyone you prefer, please feel free to use any method that is okay for you, okay? For this mixing, you need to mix this very well, okay? Don't just mix it and just leave it. Okay? Just mix it very well until the is well mixed, until it is kind of stretching somehow like a dough that you need, okay? You're going to mix this very well. This might take about 4 minutes, okay? Just mix it very well. So at this stage, I've achieved the consistency that I'm looking for. Can you see that? So right now, I'm going to get a separate bowl, and I'm going to pour hot water in that separate bowl. So that is going to be the secret of this recipe, okay? You want your dough or your pastry to or batter to rise very quick. This is one of the secrets you're going to use. So I'm going to pour hot water inside this bowl, and I will place the puff puff that I've mixed the flours and the other ingredients that I've mixed together on top of the hot water. I'm going to set this aside for like 30 minutes. Okay, all right guys, this is 30 minutes later. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. This has doubled in size, in fact more than double. Okay, so I'm going to remove the cover now, and we'll move to the next process, which is the frying process. Right now I already have my oil on fire. I've heated up the oil in a pot, okay, and I'm using a stick pot so that this will not stick when frying. So right now I'm going to use a spatula again to just mix this together, okay, to break down the batter, okay. So here I have this oil, and it is very hot, so I will be frying this on a medium heat. When you are frying puff puff, please do not fry your puff puff on a high heat, okay, so that your puff puff can be well fried and well cooked from both inside and outside, okay. I will be scooping the puff puff batter into the oil. I'm using my hand. You can use an ice cream scoop as well if you don't know how to scoop with your hand. This is the way I know how to scoop mine. Some people do it in a very beautiful way, which I would love to know how to do as well, but like I always said, I'm not a professional scooper, okay. This is the only way I can scoop mine. So I'll keep stirring this until they are golden brown. Okay, these are looking so beautiful. Can you see that? I love the color, the shape, everything is just perfect. Yeah, at this stage it is time to take the puff puff out of the oil, and I will repeat the same process with remaining puff puff butter. Okay, until I fried all the butter. All right, they are looking so beautiful. I'll be frying this for about 3 times because I'm using a small pot. Yeah. So this is the last batch. So we are done with the frying process. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope this video is really helpful. So we've come to the end of today's video. After frying all the pawpaw, here all my pawpaw is looking so beautiful and it tastes super delicious. Oh my god, I love it. Very quick and tastes almost like a donut. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.